So today's topic is spherical capacitors and the numerical. I will solve the numericals related to this. So students have problem in numerical number 5th, and the numerical is a charged spherical conductor has a surface density 0.07 coulomb per centimeter square. This is a spherical capacitor, like a conducting capacitor having surface density 0.07, and when the charge is increased by 4.4 coulomb, we added some charge on the surface of this conductor and the surface density increased up to 0.084 coulomb per centimeter square. So we have to find the initial charge and the capacitance of a spherical conductor. So how to solve this? First of all, as we know, the surface charge density, the general formula for this is charge upon area. For the first, sigma 1, so the charge, let us consider the charge is small q over, and as we know this is a spherical conductor, so the area for sphere is 4 pi r square, and the sigma 1 is given to us as 0.07 is equal to q upon 4 pi r square, gives this equation number 1. Similarly, the formula for sigma 2, the surface charge density, charge increased by 4.4, so the net charge becomes 4.4 plus q upon, and the surface area should be same, and the formula for this is 4 pi r square. Density is given to us 0.084 is equal to q plus 4.4 upon 4 pi r square. Give this equation number 2. So now divide equation 2 by 1. We will get 0.084 divided by 0.07 equal to q plus 4.4 upon 4 pi r square divided by q upon 4 pi r square. Now cut the terms, 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. Here we will get the term by eliminating the point. We have here the 1000 and here 100, so we will get 1.2, and on the right hand side q plus 4.4 upon q. By cross multiplying, (1.2) into q is equal to q plus 4.4. 1.2 q minus q is equal to 4.4. 1.2 minus 1, so it's a 0.2 q is equal to 4.4. So q is equal to 4.4 upon 0.2. It means point cutted with the point 10 by 10, and this will become 22 coulomb. So the initial charge becomes 22 coulomb. Now we have to find the second thing is capacitance of spherical conductor. So for this, as we know the formula for this, the capacitance for So spherical conductor is 4 pi epsilon naught R. Give this equation number 3. Now we want to calculate R. How we can calculate? So using equation 1, we have 0.07 is equal to Q over 4 pi R square. So 0.07 is equal to Q upon 4 pi R square. Substitute the value of Q. 0.07 is equal to Q upon 4. Value of Q is 22. 4 pi R square. So R square is equal to 22 over 4 pi into 0.07. 22 4 into pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 0.07. Cut it down. So R square is equal to 7 over 4 into 0.07. Point eliminated. 100 by 4, 25. So R is equal to under root 25 means 5 centimeter. Now R converted into meter. So 5 by 100 meter, it means 0.05 meter. R is equal to 0.05 meter. Now substitute in equation number 3. So equation 3 becomes C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. The value of R is 0.05. As we know, we have a constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So the value of 4 pi epsilon naught becomes 1 by 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Got it? So the value of C becomes C is equal to 1 by 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into 0.05. After calculating, we will get the answer 5.56 into 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. This is our capacitor.